I'm here with my Urbans egg boiler, and I would like to find out if I can make a baked potato.
Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem.
I have a potato. This is a Yukon Gold potato, and usually when you're making a baked potato you want to use, I believe, a russet potato, but we're not actually baking the potato in the egg boiler because the egg boiler works by steaming food. So we're actually going to be steaming this potato and we're going to see how it comes out. I'm going to leave it whole, and I did poke some holes in it with a fork. I poked it with a fork about 4 times on this side and about 4 times on this side, and I rinsed off the potato. And I am going to wrap this in aluminum foil. So here's the potato nicely wrapped, and I am going to use this metal rack that just happens to fit perfectly in this egg boiler. It did not come with the egg boiler. I purchased this somewhere else. I don't remember exactly where, but it does happen to fit perfectly, so I've been using it in here. And I'm going to fill this up with 2 of these little cups of water. So that's full of water. And I'm going to put my potato on it. And let's put the cover over it. Oh, it just fits. And let's put the power on. And I'm just going to let that cook until all the water evaporates and then it turns itself off. So it's probably going to be 20-25 minutes. Then I'm going to refill it with water and cook it for another 20-25 minutes. So I'm expecting this to cook for 40 or 45 minutes. I don't know how many minutes it's been, but the egg boiler turned itself off, and I was in the other room and I was like, I smell a potato cooking. So can you see what's going on there? It looks like there's a bunch of starch from the potato that's on the bottom. I doubt it's done already, but let's put it on a plate and let's see what's going on. So here's the potato. Can we stick a fork in it? Okay, it's still really hard. It's still really hard, definitely not totally cooked, but I'm thinking the underside, no, it's still hard on this side also. Really hard. So let's put it back on the egg boiler. Two more cups of water in there. Put the lid on. I'm starting to think this might take an hour to cook. It might take 3 rounds. It's been another 20 minutes or so. All of the water cooked out. So let's see what's going on with the potato right now. Is it done? So here's the potato. It should be softer than it was before. Oh yeah, look at that. I think it's done. So potentially this only took 2 rounds of cooking in the egg boiler. There's the potato. Or does it still need more time? I mean, it is soft. I feel like it could use a little bit more time. I mean, it is soft, but I'm going to put it in for 1 more round of cooking, and then I'm going to taste it. I don't know, I just feel like it needs some more cooking time. Put the lid back on, and I'll be back in about another 20 minutes, so it'll be like a full hour of cooking. The egg boiler cooked through the rest of the water, so it's been 3 cooking cycles. I'm gonna say this is done right now. It has to be done. It was already soft after the 2nd cooking cycle, but I still didn't think it was totally done, so hopefully it's done this time. So here's the potato. Yeah, it's softer than it was before. The flavor is pretty much the same as it was before. It's okay, it definitely needs some kind of seasoning or something on it. I'm gonna add a little salt. Well, I think I have to remember that this is not baked. This is steamed. And so that's why it's gonna taste different than a baked potato. Just put some salt and pepper on it. So let's give it a taste. Definitely better. I'll probably end up putting some butter or sour cream. I have to see what I have in my fridge. But that is how you can cook a potato in an egg boiler. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in an egg boiler. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.